Welcome to SAG Infotech. In this video tutorial, I will tell you how to fill all the relevant details in the software and upload it to GSTN. First, go to GST Returns. Click on GSTR1 button. Select the month, the respective client. Now go to Fill Forms. As you can see, the first tab is of all invoices. Here, list will be displayed of all invoices which are there in the software. If you want to enter the details manually, you can enter it tab wise, like the next tab is B2B, that is business to business. If you wish to add a new entry, you can click on Add. Enter the receiver name, the invoice number, the rate, the taxable value. Click on Save. The data is saved. Similarly, you can do for B2C large, B2C small, credit debit node registered, credit debit node unregistered. The next tab is Export. In this, if any goods are to be exported, then you can add the entry in this tab by clicking on Add. Next is Advanced Receipt, Advanced Receipt Adjustment. Next is HSN SSC Summary. If you want to see HSN SSC Summary, by filling these details, you can just save and see the summary. Next is Nil Rated Supply. Here, you have to enter the details. The other method is, if you want to see the nil rated supply invoice wise, then you can click on this button. And if you wish to add a new, you can just click on Add. Exit. The last is Documents. You just have to fill the documents here and you can save. Next, we'll go to Receiver Details. Here you can see many receiver details are displayed in the list. If you wish to add a new, click on Add, New, select Short, enter the GSTN number, the country, state, city, similarly mobile number and email address. Click on Save. There is another option also for creating the receiver detail. If you want to import the receiver details from the site, directly you can click on this button. You just have to put the GSTN number of the client and put any username and password of any client and click on Import Data to import the receiver details from the site. Click on Exit. Now we'll go to GSTR1 Summary. Now, this is showing the GSTR1 summary, the data of B2B invoices as per the software, as per the portal, and the difference between them will be shown in red color. Next, we'll go to the main section, that is e-file. First, we'll generate the JSON. Click on Generate button. Save it. Now, this is the validation utility page. Just click on Validate button to validate all the data. We have mentioned 20 parameters. Here, a pop-up will be shown to check the valid GST number. This is how all the 20 parameters will be validated through our software. Please wait. Now after the validation, click on exit. Now it will ask you, do you want to upload the JSON file or not? If you want to upload, you can click on yes, otherwise click on no. This is the final summary page of submit and file. These all are the details of the software. If you want to recheck them, you can just recheck all the data here, and after that you can click on select all, and by clicking on select all, after that click on upload button to upload the data on the GSTN. This is how we can fill all the relevant details in our software and upload them to GSTN. Thank you.